Alright, so we go inside the Infinite Campus, and let's just say we're scheduling. Let's just go somewhere different. You have to go to Ad Hoc Report, go to Filter Designer. Then you open the folder up here, and let's say we want to generate, typically the sections, student sections, everything below courses. If we wanted to generate courses, again, let's just start with that. Click on Courses, and down here you click on Edit, right here. Once you click on Edit, you're going to go Save and Test. That's it. And once you do, you don't even have to do tests. You can just go ahead and do save. But when you do save and test, I believe it runs the engine, so we need to do save and test. All right. Once you do that, you're good to go. You just can go to the other video. You can go to data export, and once you go to data export, you open this up, click on courses, and you go through the process that we talked about. You go to export, and you know it's going to do this thing right here. Open it up. All right, ready to go. There it is. File, save as. Now remember, right now, if we click on this folder, we're in the October 19th folder, right? But we want to make sure. So let me just back out a little bit. Click on Windows Explorer. There's that October 19, 2021. Let's go ahead and create a new folder, and we can do that right here. Right click, go to New Folder. Let's say in the future it's like, I don't know, date. Now let's go back to Infinite Campus. Do it again. So we went to Data Export, and then we went to Teachers in Touch 2021 courses. We need to make sure it's on CSV, delimited values. Nothing here changes. Click on Export. Now once it drops down, open it up. Now it's open here, but the name needs to change. It needs to be what we intend for it to be named. You're going to do Save As. And if you don't see the folder, click on your PC. And let's see here. Go to Teachers in Touch. See some date. And then you change the name, courses. And make sure it's already going to be CSV, and you hit Save. And hit Yes. You cannot say this work with this. Oh, it's open. This is the reason why. We have it open right here. So if you just open your computer up, these won't be open. Okay. So now we can save it. Yes. There it is.